Children, good morning children. We have studied about the aggregate functions sum, count, min and max. Now let us discuss few statistical functions. They are mean, median and mode. So the first function is mode. Mode function in Python pandas is used to calculate the mode or most repeated value of a given set of numbers. So we know that what is mode? Mode means most repeated value in a set of numbers. Most repeated number in a set of numbers. So that is mode. To calculate the mode function, mode in a data frame, that is most repeated value in a data frame, particular column of a data frame, we can use the mode function. So the syntax is name of the data frame, then in square brackets the column name dot mode, in bracket x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means along the columns we are finding the mode. In a particular column we are finding the mode. So here mode function calculates the modes. Mode, that is the most occurrence of each element along the axis selected. So default axis is 0, which signifies index values, where 1 signifies columns. Axis equal to 0 or index get mode of each column, and axis equal to 1 or columns get mode of each row. That is, if we give axis equal to 0, then the mode value is calculated for each column. Suppose name is a column, then it will calculate the number of repeated values in the name column, or age column, the repeated values in the age column, or the score column. Now if we give axis equal to 1, it represents rows, that is 0th index, representing the index 0 is a row, 0 Ajay 24 63, it is a row, and it will calculate the repeated values, mode of each row, which value is being repeated in a particular row. But if we do not specify any axis, then by default the axis value is taken as 0. So to calculate the mode of the data frame, so we have a data frame score underscore df, that is the data frame that we have created in the last class, which contains the score and a name, age and score of a different person. So we can calculate the mode by using the statement score underscore df, that is the data frame name dot mode, in bracket x is equal to 0. So here we have three columns. So since x is equal to 0, it is given, and column name is also not given. So from every column the mode will be calculated. So the argument calculates column wise mode of the data frame. So the result will be as shown in the output. Let us consider this example to calculate the mode of the data frame. So we have a data frame score underscore df. So when we write the statement score underscore df dot mode x is equal to 0. So inside the mode function we have given the argument as x is equal to 0. So it will compute the mode along different columns. So you can see the output. In the name column the mode is the different names, because all the names are repeated only one time. And in the age column you can see the mode is 24 because 24 is repeated more number of times. Then in the score column you can see 3 numbers 63, 77 and 85, that is these 3 numbers are repeated equal number of times and it is the most repeated numbers. So another example to calculate the mode of the data frame, and in this mode of the data frame is calculated along the rows. So x is equal to 1 is given. So score underscore df is the data frame and x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 argument calculates the row wise mode of the data frame. So the result will be the column names and in the 0th column each values. It is not in the order, same order as in the data frame, but the order is changed. In each column, in the 0th row, in the 0th index, at index position 0, at index position 0, the value, the names are Ajay 2685. So it is given as it is because in that row no values are being repeated. If any value is repeated in the same row, then the mode will be given. Since no values are repeated, the mode will be the same itself in each row. So 85, Ajay and 26 are the modes in each row. Because no value is repeated, so there won't be any mode. Next is the mean function. The mean function in Python pandas is used to calculate the arithmetic mean of a given set of values. Mean of a data frame is the mean of a column and mean of rows. And the syntax of mean is data frame name bracket column name dot mean. So passing the argument of x is equal to 0 returns the mean of every single column. So x is equal to 0 means mean of each column will be calculated. Mean means average of each column. And passing the argument of x is equal to 1, it will return the mean of each row. So here integer values are there for age and score. So the two values will be added and divided by 2 to get the mean. Then the median. Median function in Python is used to calculate the median or the middle value of a given set of numbers. So median of a data frame is the median of column and median of rows. The syntax is df square bracket column name dot median. To calculate the median of the data frame, we have the function data frame name dot median. So here it will calculate the median of all the columns. So let us try some examples for finding the mean, median and mode. From a dictionary D. So import code pandas as PD. Then create a dictionary. D is equal to a simple dictionary. Name, then in square brackets just I am giving some characters as names, comma, B, comma, C. Comma, age, colon, square brackets, comma, 33, comma, in single quotes, score, colon, then in square brackets 22 comma 23 comma 25. So we have created a list, dictionary. Then we have to create a data frame. df is equal to pd dot data frame bracket d. Print df. So this is our data frame with name, age and score. 3 columns are there. Now let us perform different operations. So print df dot data frame, a data frame dot mode, then in brackets we haven't specified any column name, just our name of the data frame. So the mode will be calculated for all the columns, because I am giving here axis equal to, if we do not specify axis, let us see what will be the output. So I didn't specify any axis, so axis will be taken by default as the columns. So you can see here, first our data frame is printed, then in the second the output is the mean. So for the column name, all the names are given, A, B, C are displayed because all are different names. If it were same names were there, then it will be shown as the mode. If different names are there, then all the names will be displayed. Now in the age column, 22 is repeated 2 times, so the mode will be 22. So only 22 is displayed and the other values are nan. And in the score column you can see no repeated values are there, so mode is not there. Suppose if we change the name, here if we change 25, then there will be a change in the output. Here in the score column also mode is 25. Now if we write here axis equal to 0. So the same output is obtained. Mode is calculated along the column. In the columns, mode is calculated in columns. So the mode of name column is calculated, mode of age column is calculated, and mode of score column is calculated. Now if we write instead of mode here inside in the data frame for a specific column, if I am calculating the mode, so in square brackets mode of age dot mode. If we do not specify, if we are specifying the column name, no need of specifying the axis. So axis, then when we run, you can see the mode is obtained as 22. That is the mode of the column. So here we can write print in bracket so the output is mode is 0th index 22. The output is also in the form of a data frame, so so it is showing the index value there 0. Now let us see for the median. Median means just the middle value. When it is sorted, a data frame is sorted and the middle value is represented by median. So we have the median function to calculate the median. So for the age column we have 3 values, so the median will be just 22. Now let us replace this 22 by 26. Now let us see what will be the median. So you can see the middle value is 26, so the median is 26. Now instead of this column we can write, now we can write just df. Data frame name dot median. So here we are not specifying any column names, so the output will be the medians of all the columns. So you can see the median of the column age 26, median of score 25. So the middle values of all the columns are displayed. So if we have 4 columns, suppose we have a value four values are there. Then the average will be the median. So you can see here no middle value is there. In middle position 2 values are there, 26 and 45 in the age column. So the median will be the average of 26 and 45, that is 29.5, and in the score column also the median will be 24 plus 35 by 2, that is 24.5. Now let us see if we specify this median for axis equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 means median along the columns, along the rows will be displayed. So median is always calculated for integer or floating point values and not for string values. So name column is a string valued column, so median will not be calculated for name column. So age and score columns, the median is, there are two columns, so the median value will be the average of the two columns. Next we can calculate the mean. So the mean is the average of the values in the rows. If we give x is equal to 1, so here we have given the x is equal to 1, so the mean will be the average of 22 plus 22 by 2, that is 22 itself. So the mean is the average of all the columns. So if we do not specify x is equal to 1, here if we give x is equal to 0, then the mean will be the average of the all the values in the particular column, average of score column and average of age column, that is all the elements are added and divided by 4, because 4 elements are there. So this is the mean. So children, these mean, median and mode are actually not in the syllabus but is useful for doing lab programs and may come for exam also. There is a chance for these things to come for the exam also. Now if we want to specify a particular, to find the mean of a particular column, so here we can write inside the mean function, no need of giving any parameters. Here we can give inside square brackets, we can give the column name. So the mean of the age column is obtained. Okay, thank you children.